Welcome to all you speed-hungry souls with shallow pockets, or you fat cats with too much cash and not enough adrenaline. Take a long, hard look at that hump on the roof of this Maextro S800. It's not a design flaw, and it's definitely not a malignant tumor of the EV industry. That is Huawei's LiDAR D5 Max. 500 lines. Yes, 500 scanning lines per second. Welcome to Carcry. Hit subscribe now if you don't want to be a tech dinosaur. Let me do the math for those who skipped class back in high school. While the radar on old-school luxury cars sees the world like a nearsighted person who lost their glasses, this monster can spot every single wrinkle on your neighbor's forehead from 2 football fields away. It's not just a magic eye, it's a straight-up insult to the human retina. With a point density as thick as the IRS auditing your tax returns, this system reconstructs a 3D map of the real world with virtually zero latency. Huawei just delivered a massive slap to the face of Western automakers who are still fumbling around with 128 or 192 lines. What does 500 lines even mean? It means if an ant is contemplating whether or not to cross the interstate, this car has already calculated its trajectory before the bug even takes its first step. Look at the way it dominates the roof, bold and arrogant. This is the ultimate declaration of war. In the era of software, whoever holds the sharpest eyes wears the crown. And right now, Huawei is sitting on the throne with a sensor suite whose resolution would make professional cinema cameras feel embarrassed. You sit there watching this video asking yourself, do I really need a car that sees better than I do? The answer is yes, because at the very least, this car never gets distracted by a billboard or a flashy jogger on the sidewalk. It only cares about safety and extreme precision. If this technological surveillance excites you, smash that subscribe button below. Don't make me use these 500 lines to track down your house just to remind you. If you think a luxury sedan just needs to be a bit longer than your driveway, the Maextro S800 is about to redefine your concept of massive. This car measures 18 feet long. To put that in perspective, if you park the nose at the start of your block, the tail might already be in the next zip code. This isn't just a car, it's a manifesto on occupying prime real estate on the asphalt. Huawei and Jack didn't design the S800 to squeeze through tight alleys in downtown Boston. They built it to crush the ego of any Maybach or Rolls-Royce daring enough to park nearby. Look at this exterior design. It's annoyingly smooth, as if it were cast from a vat of liquid metal used by those killer robots in action movies. But don't let that glossy skin fool you. The proportions of the S800 are calculated to maximize interior space to an extreme degree. While traditional luxury brands are still obsessed with complex character lines and grills as big as a backyard barbecue smoker, Maextro plays the minimalism card with absolute authority. This vehicle represents a new generation of modern luxury, where value isn't measured by how many cows were sacrificed for the leather seats, but by how much it resembles a deep space starship. Remember that 500-line hump from the previous segment? The combination of a Titan-sized body and a genius brain creates an entity I call the destroyer of old definitions. You don't buy this car to drive, you buy it to own a piece of mobile real estate capable of moving at warp speed. It's long, it's wide, and it's unashamedly flamboyant. If driving an 18-foot boat makes you nervous about U-turns, relax. This car is smart enough to figure it out on its own, while your only job is to sit inside and pretend you're busy with multi-billion-dollar deals. You think it's too big? That's just because you aren't big enough to handle this level of greatness. Step inside the Maextro S800 and you'll see the definition of excess elevated to a fine art. Forget those tacky, flickering LED lights that look like a cheap Vegas strip club. Here, we have a literal starlight ceiling with 680 fiber optic strands embedded directly into the roof. It's not just for show, it simulates an entire galaxy, so you can contemplate the insignificance of humanity while stuck in a gridlock on the 405. And don't forget that magic eye with 500 lines outside, because inside here, the level of scrutiny is even more intense. This car door isn't just a piece of metal on a hinge. It has its own radar. Yes, a dedicated radar just for the purpose of opening the door. It calculates a perfect 77-degree opening angle, ensuring it doesn't hit a fire hydrant, scrape a Harley, or most importantly, force the owner to use a single bicep muscle. If you're about to step out and there's a puddle, it'll sound an alarm like an asteroid is about to hit Earth. This is the peak of technological narcissism. Everything revolves around the ego of the person in the back seat. And don't even get me started on the sound system. 43 Huawei sound speakers. 43. With that many speakers, you aren't just listening to music. You're being serenaded by an acoustic assault. It creates a private bubble so quiet that if your friend next to you starts rambling about their student loans, you just activate the active noise cancellation and boom, world peace. Even the seat adjustment buttons are crafted from pure crystal. Actual crystal. So every time you want to recline, your fingertips are reminded, hey, you're spending your money in the right place. If this level of luxury makes you dizzy, then congratulations, you've just crossed the threshold of the ultra-rich without needing a get-rich-quick seminar. Now, let's set aside the pile of crystals and starlight luxury for a moment to talk about what truly holds the power of life and death, the Qiankun ADS 5.0 operating system. If that 500-line LiDAR from the start of the video is a pair of sharp eyes, then ADS 5.0 is a dictatorial brain, cold, calculating, and extremely decisive. This isn't that lane keep assist gimmick you find on your average commuter car. This is a self-driving system that I bet drives smoother than a veteran Greyhound bus driver with 30 years on the road. Qiankun ADS 5.0 uses an integrated neural network to learn from billions of miles of real-world data. It doesn't just see obstacles, it predicts their intent. If a delivery biker up ahead shows signs of signaling left but swerving right, a classic specialty of chaotic urban traffic, this brain has already prepared an evasive maneuver before that turn signal even flickers. It strips the steering wheel from your hands politely but with absolute authority. You sit there hands off as the car weaves through tight gaps that would make even the most reckless New York bike messengers tip their hats in respect. The beauty of this system is that it never gets tired, it never gets drunk, and most importantly, it never talks back to your spouse when they give the wrong directions. It processes millions of calculations per second to ensure that 18-foot Titan never touches a single hair on anyone's head. Remember that narcissistic door radar from the previous segment? That's just one tiny piece in this extreme safety ecosystem. Huawei is turning driving into an obsolete concept. In the future, grabbing the steering wheel yourself might be considered a dangerous and uncivilized act. So enjoy being a VIP passenger right in your own driver's seat, because this dictatorial brain will not allow you to make a mistake. Don't let the Maextro S800's silky smooth exterior fool your eyes. Beneath that polished skin lies a true muscle beast powered by an 800V architecture. If you're still using a 5-watt brick to charge your phone at home, listen up. This car charges in 12 minutes, enough to blast from the heart of LA to the edge of the desert without even glancing at the battery gauge. It doesn't just charge, it gulps electricity. And the acceleration? 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. That might sound typical until you remember you're sitting in a block of metal weighing over 5,000 pounds. It's like a woolly mammoth suddenly sprouted wings and took off at the speed of a starving cheetah. When you floor it, your internal organs will have a sudden reunion with your spine, while the scenery outside blurs like you're jumping through a wormhole in a sci-fi flick. Remember that ADS 5.0 brain we just talked about? It controls this raw power with extreme prejudice. The intelligent air suspension predicts potholes before the tires even hit them, adjusting the damping in a split second. The result? You're flying at warp speed, yet the Starbucks latte on your crystal armrest won't spill a single drop. It glides over the pavement like a billionaire ignoring online haters, smooth, silent, and full of pride. The S800 isn't just fast in a straight line, it handles sharp corners with a stability that's almost hilarious. An 18-foot boat that carves through turns like a hot knife through butter. That's not normal physics, that's Huawei and Jack magic. If this acceleration makes you dizzy, grip that premium leather seat tight, because this speed game is only for those with deep pockets and a very strong heart. If you're still obsessed with the S800 sedan and forgot that the rest of the world has gone SUV crazy, then welcome to the Aito M9, Huawei's ultimate escape pod. This monster isn't just a car, it's a mobile cinema with a 32-inch projection screen that rolls down right inside the cabin. Yes, you heard that right. While your friends are still messing around with iPads strapped to their headrests, you could be hosting a blockbuster premiere right on the I-95. But don't let the theater distract you from the cold, hard facts. The Aito M9 has already moved over 270,000 units. That's not a stroke of luck. It's a statement that people are willing to pay for an entity that drives itself, entertains, and pampers the owner's ego to the absolute limit. It shares the same 500-line LiDAR eyes and the ADS 5.0 brain I've been cramming into your head this whole time. The result? A massive SUV that moves as gracefully as a ghost, confidently backing into tight parking spots without you needing to stick your head out the window like it's the Stone Age. In short, looking at the Maextro S800 and the Aito M9, we're seeing a bucket of ice water splashed right in the faces of traditional luxury giants who are sleeping on their past victories. Chinese tech is no longer copy-paste. They are setting new rules with lasers and algorithms. You might hate the flamboyance, you might fear the AI dictatorship, but you cannot deny that the future is knocking at the door with the speed of a 5G signal. And hey, this car can automatically detect obstacles to brake, but the YouTube algorithm doesn't automatically know you liked this video. If you don't want to miss the next high-tech surgical reviews dripping with gunpowder, hit subscribe and ring that bell immediately here on Carcry. Don't make me remind you again with 500 scanning beams. Stay sharp, stay fast, and I'll see you in the next monster review.